What is up, XRP holders? Today, we are just going to jump into our usual XRP news and what is going on with Ripple's XRP. So let's just jump in right ahead. We have our first post that started trending on the XRP Reddit, and it is from Puzzlehead underscore run 5074. And his title is Context of the Closed Door Meeting. So he is likely talking about the closed door meeting between Ripple and the SEC. Right here it says, does anyone have a source or any literature alluding to the context of the closed door meeting today with the SEC? I've been looking all morning, knowing damn well I won't find anything but worth the ask, I guess. These are regular scheduled meetings, and there have been many. So it looks like this is pretty normal. And it's right in here. It's explaining the Sunshine Act. And I'm guessing what this explains, and I'm not sure, but from what I understand, is that they have these meetings occasionally, and they're scheduled by the SEC it's themselves. So interesting stuff, really interesting stuff. There's not much to say other than that. I'm guessing that this will most likely help Ripple's situation with the SEC right now, and I hope it does that exactly. But yeah, that's not much. There's not much to say about this post other than that. Hopefully, it just addressed some confusion among XRP holders and those who are interested in Ripple's technology. So let's jump right into the juicy articles. So we have our first post from Forbes, and it goes like, China and the Fed to flood the world with trillions. Traders suddenly braced for extreme predicted Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price swings. So Bitcoin and crypto prices, including major coins, Ethereum and XRP, have surged this year. Interesting stuff. The Bitcoin price has doubled over the last 12 months as the market gears up for a Wall Street earthquake that some expect to turbocharge the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto market. Now, as rumors fly around, Bitcoin's worst-kept secret, legendary Bitcoin and crypto trader Arthur Hayes has predicted China is about to flood the world with yuan credit, something he thinks will flow into hard monetary assets like Bitcoin. Really interesting stuff, but I don't know much more about this prediction. So let's read more about this. If China is printing yuan, it will make its ways into the global market and support the prices of all types of risk assets. Hayes, who co-founded crypto derivatives pioneer BitMEX, wrote in a blog post, adding China is about to throw gasoline on a raging fire that is incipient crypto bull market and flood the world with yuan credit. Hayes, now chief investment officer at investment fund Maelstrom, pointed to rising expectations the Federal Reserve will soon begin unwinding its tight monetary policy, leading to the U.S. dollar weakening and allowing China to engage in a massive round of stimulus that will revive its property market and increase infrastructure spending. Recent data has shown a brief rebound in China's struggling economy has stalled, piling pressure on China's Xi Jinping to spur growth with stimulus measures. Given that the dollar is the world's largest funding currency, if the price of credit falls, all fixed supply assets like Bitcoin and gold will rise in dollar fiat price terms, Hayes wrote. The great part about this macro pillar of bullishness is that it doesn't require Chinese firms and wealthy individuals to buy any Bitcoin. The fungible nature of global fiat credit will dictate that marginal flat dollar will flow into hard monetary assets like Bitcoin. Really interesting stuff. I don't know if their claim holds up. I think this might just be clickbait post. I don't understand how this is actually going to impact the crypto price whatsoever. So I'm just going to skip over this article. I really tried to understand how it's going to impact crypto's price, and they're claiming that the U.S. dollar is going to get weakened. And yeah, with the BRICS developing, it is possible, but we still don't know yet for sure what the fate of the U.S. dollar will be. So I don't know what to say about that previous article. All right. Now we have another article from Bob Mason at FX Empire. XRP news, SEC versus Ripple, latest developments and settlement prospects. So XRP fell by 0.51% on Thursday, ending the session at 0.6064. Well, okay. On Thursday, XRP fell by 0.5. Okay, so we already mentioned that. We already read that. So let's read more into the juicy stuff. Ripple reacts to Wall Street Journal's attack on the SEC. So on Thursday, the Wall Street Journal made headlines again. Ripple chief legal officer Stuart Allardich shared an expert from a WSJ article saying, the Supreme Court has repeatedly ruled against the SEC in recent years. The SEC is anything but infallible. It is bloated, broken, and beleaguered. Don't be intimidated by when they come knocking. Okay. In April, the justices said and their business is subjected to SEC administrative proceedings, can seek to enjoin or block those proceedings by suing in a federal district and raising constitutional arguments there. Really interesting stuff and really interesting claims from the Wall Street Journal. So they're pretty much taking a jab at the SEC, calling it infallible, it bloated, broken, and belugered. I don't know if I agree with those claims or not, but we do know that the SEC has been inconsistent when it's come to sort of taking jabs at the crypto world itself and crypto companies themselves. A lot of inconsistencies, and a lot of people are upset about it. So there's not much to say other than that. So I'm gonna jump into the next article. Lawyer Bill Morgan, very strange XRP price movement after legal clarity. This is an article from Justanis Boltrasitide. All right, I'm just going to say Justanis. Sorry about that. And it is from Finbold. After a prolonged battle, XRP gained partial regulatory clarity when the court declared it not a security in the SEC case, a factor anticipated to boost its price. However, while there was an initial surge post-legal clarity, XRP later corrected to align with the broader market. In this line, pro-Ripple lawyer Bill Morgan, in an X post on November 29th, which is also Twitter, expressed his surprise and concern over the seemingly sluggish price performance of XRP compared to other major cryptocurrencies. So I think the reason why he is surprised is because XRP is one of the primary tokens, but it's not talked that much about compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum and Doge. So I think that's why we still haven't seen XRP's price rise, despite the news from the SEC saying that it is not a security, or saying that XRP is not a security. So we have a quote here. Wow, I never realized XRP's price performance was this poor compared to other major coins. And not only compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, it has, of course, been under the cloud of an SEC investigation and then lawsuit that entire period. But you would think it would have caught up more after obtaining legal clarity. Very strange. It is very strange, and I agree with them on that. Currently, XRP is slightly above the 0.50 cents mark, while Bitcoin aims for the $40,000 mark. Interestingly, Morgan contested the idea that the stagnation in Ripple's price is solely due to selling pressure. Yeah, I remember in another video we were talking about how I think Ripple might have been selling their own XRP, but I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. So maybe that's why the price is still sort of static. But I am not sure on that either. So let's continue to read this article and see what else we can unveil about this situation. The SEC case impact, despite XRP gaining some clarity from the case, and of course, it's just repeating this stuff, I think. Yeah, there's no point in reading this. Ongoing negotiations between the SEC and Ripple regarding XRP sales to institutional investors are underway. The resolution of these talks or a definitive disgorgement ruling can impact the token's valuation. There's also speculation about a potential Ripple SEC settlement following reports of a closed-door meeting by the financial regulator. Hopefully that happens. That would be in the XRP holders' favor. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Remember, guys, our videos are not advice. They are just our opinion. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Good luck trading, and adios.